Hey. I see nothing but old man cat.
These ones are in the closet.
They're in the closet?
That's right. Yeah, I have had them in the closet in the bedroom. They haven't been out here yet.
Hi, Vizzy.
They have not been introduced, although Fizzy has sniffed them under the door.
Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Pretty soon we will have a castle. Wait, which closet? Here?
Careful when you open, because I don't know where they are. Go ahead. It's okay.
Oh, man. Oh, you got them all.
Huh?
You got all three.
Oh, yeah. I thought I had told you, yeah.
No, you surprised me.
Oh, I said it was going to be a surprise. You're right, yeah.
No, you surprised me because I only saw three. I only saw the two.
Oh. He was in the picture. He was just underneath the other one. You can see him in the picture.
Look at these sleepy babies. Okay.